Are you tired of complex diagnostic workflows, slow update cycles, and a lot of unnecessary effort? Then stay tuned for our new cloud-enabled diagnostic tester, vInspect. Hello, my name is Melanie Boyle. I'm a software development engineer for diagnostic testers at Vector. In this video, we will have a look at vInspect, our new tailor-made diagnostic tester for any system components. vInspect is modern as well as user-friendly and offers flexible dashboard design on selectable widgets. Its flexibility makes vInspect ideal for use in service organizations, as it manages the rights and roles of team members. Those roles are managed by the administrators and define the access to diagnostic and flashing data. By using your corporate colors and company logo, vInspect becomes your company-branded diagnostic tester. Before starting diagnostics, an admin uploads the required diagnostic data and software update packages for flashing to the backend. Technicians will automatically receive all relevant data from the backend. So let's jump into vInspect. As you can see, the tool is fully tailored to the corporate design of our example customer, Delight Systems, a lighting components manufacturer. Based on the uploaded diagnostic data, vInspect now identifies connected devices automatically. With just one click, we connect to our light control to start with our diagnostic workflow. The technicians don't have to worry about choosing a specific ECU variant. One of the core ideas of vInspect is how quickly a diagnostic tester can be adapted to specific tasks. Within just a few seconds, dashboards can be created or adjusted using a flexible widget concept. Here we have a combination of widgets for fault memory, identification data, and live measurement values. Let's add another widget for executing operations to our dashboard. We just select the widget type, select the high beam operation, and give it a name. And there it is on our dashboard. Now we can use this to turn on our high beams. We set Activate to On and start the execution. When the high beam is on, we can see that the electric current values on the live data widget are increasing too. Administrators can prepare these dashboard configurations and make them available to all users. The technicians immediately see only the relevant data and widgets for the currently connected ECU. After that, the technicians can continue with the diagnostic workflow with the correct diagnostic database. In addition to diagnostics, vInspect supports software updates for components using prepared flash packages. Those flash packages contain the steps to be executed by vInspect as well as the data to flash on the device. When an update is available, the technician is notified immediately after the connection is established and can execute the software update workflow. If you want deeper insights into your diagnostic data, another great feature is the analyzer. We can record a diagnostic communication trace and share it to have a detailed look at the data. Here we simply import the diagnostic data trace and select the data we want to investigate. Let's select some DIDs and interactions. Now we see the trace in this graph and can evaluate the previously recorded data more easily. Finally, let's take a look at our protocol feature. In addition to generating PDF reports that show the current status of the ECU for support teams, relevant data can also be sent to backend systems. This lays the basis for error aggregation and predictive maintenance. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to vInspect. If you want to see how vInspect can be tailored to your components and processes, reach out to us. We're happy to discuss your use case. You'll find additional information and contact information in the description below. Interested in more videos about diagnostics, smart workflows, and overall good software? Then subscribe to our Vector Tech Tutorial YouTube channel and activate the bell. Hope to see you there. Bye!